Okay, hello. This video is going to show you how to change one of the number buttons on your keyboard to in overgrowth to associate with a new character other than the default ones. So first, what you're going to do, you're going to go to your data folder. So either open it with the Sum Launcher or go to like your packages if you're on a Mac, or if you're on a Window. I don't know how to find it there. Sorry. But the Sum Launcher I know can open it if you go to Links data folder. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to go to Scripts, and you want to find this file, the ASCHAR file. You want to put that into, I put it in TextEdit. I already have it open, so it's not going to work. But so you want to, I put it in TextEdit if you're on Mac, or like the Windows equivalent. I think it's called Notepad on a Windows. You just drag it into there. So I found some ASCHAR looks like this. You want to look for these. So use like a find part of it, like I have up here. If you're on a Mac, if you're on a Windows, I'm sure you can do the same thing. And find these buttons. So the names, like, see, like these are my custom ones. Like I have Turner Bone. It's like a bone texture Turner. Tainted. He's like red and black. The regular default Turner. Red and black wolf. Default dog, and this one, the dog soldier military. That's my army dog. So I put that as number 7. So as you can see, this used to be something else. So instead, you just put data character, or you leave data character alone, and you replace the name of, like, instead of like dog soldier or wolf XML, you put dog soldier military XML. Then hit save, and you're done. So once you do that, you can open up Overgrowth just to check if it works. And this will only work if you have it installed in the right place, if you have the files in the right place too. I'll show you where to put those in a second. So basically, if you open it up, it's gonna load real quick. It doesn't matter what number you put it to, as long as it's not 9, or I believe 0. I think it has to be 1 through 8. So then if I hit 7, I'm the army dog. So that's how you do that. Um, Now if you load it, you load my character, and it does this. It goes to whale fail. Don't worry about it. That's just I think that's just a glitch on my computer. If you see that, if it happens on yours, it does not happen unless you go into editor mode. Then it'll do that sometimes. But when you're playing as him, don't worry. It will not go into whale fail. It will not turn to that object. So next, I'm going to show you where to put the files, just in case my README file was not clear enough. So when you download the stuff, you're going to have, let me open it. So this is the folder you're going to have. So you can go data, character. So this one, this file would go in data, characters. See, so it associates with this one, with this folder. Then the same thing with objects, characters, dogs. You'd put those two in object, characters, dogs. And then obviously it's the same thing with the texture. You would go textures, and the only reason you don't need any of the other textures that are in the XML files, because they're just the default ones. So you should already have them in your game if you have the latest alpha, or if you have at least the dog character in your game already, then you should have all the textures except for mine. So you're going to go to textures, characters, dogs, and then you put that texture in there. See, there it is, dog soldier military CTGA. So that's all you got to do. Once you have that done, and you've done this, remember, it doesn't matter what number you put it as, 1 through 8. You can even, if you didn't want a number, you could even put, you could like change the 8 to like a different key, but just make sure it's not like B or something that's already used, because then 2 buttons I don't believe can have the same, can have two, I don't believe a button can share 2 functions. Pretty sure your game will crash. So I'd leave it as 1 through 8 and just change the name of one of them. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps.